Whether you ride around town or go on long trips, it is useful as well as rewarding to know how to perform basic tasks on your motorcycle. For instance, removing the front wheel. Here is how to do it. First, check if you have all the tools required for this in your toolbox. A 6mm Allen key, a 17mm open-end spanner, a 24mm combination ring spanner, and an extension tube. These are all available in your motorcycle toolkit. Along with these tools, you will also need a tapping mallet, an extension bar, and a jack. First, ensure that the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Use the 24mm spanner attached to the extension tube to loosen the front wheel spindle nut a bit. As you hold it from the left-hand side with the 17mm spanner, this will ease the removal of the wheel. Now place the jack under the engine frame and lift the motorcycle such that the front wheel is off the ground by 15 cm. Now loosen the left-hand side fork hex socket head pinch bolt using the 6mm Allen key. Completely remove the spindle nut and spacer from the right-hand side and keep them aside safely. Now hold the front wheel and gently tap the spindle from right-hand side. Gently pull out the spindle from left-hand side. Remove the front wheel assembly and remove the spacer from the right-hand side and keep it aside. Remember not to place the wheel assembly facing disc plate downwards to prevent any damage on the disc plate and toner wheel. Also, do not press the front brake lever when the wheel is removed from the motorcycle. Now to fit the front wheel, first place the spacer in the wheel hub at right-hand side. Slowly roll the wheel assembly between the forks to locate its position. Insert this spindle from left-hand side by lifting the wheel assembly and bringing the spindle axis at the same level of the wheel hub and fork. Place the flat washer, spindle nut, and tighten it with your hand for few threads. Now use a 17mm spanner and hold the spindle from left-hand side and tighten the spindle nut from the right-hand side by using a 24mm spanner and the extension tube. Finally, tighten the left-hand fork socket head hex bolt by using a 6mm Allen key. Check if the wheel is rotating freely. Once you remove the jack, it is advised to tighten the spindle nut once more. You're all set for the long road. However, do visit a Royal Enfield service center to get the bolts tightened to the recommended torque. Keep riding!